Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a pillar trim on a Ford Explorer. First, gather your essential tools, including a plastic trim removal tool, a small flathead screwdriver, and the new A-pillar trim piece. Always ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface with the engine off and the parking brake firmly engaged. For safety, disconnect the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery to prevent any accidental airbag deployment during the process. Now let's remove the old trim. Begin by carefully prying off the small airbag cover, usually found near the top of the A-pillar, using your plastic trim removal tool. Be gentle to avoid scratching the surrounding surfaces. Beneath this cover, you will find a single retaining bolt. Use a 10mm socket to remove it. Once the bolt is out, gently pull the trim away from the pillar, releasing the clips that hold it in place. With the old trim removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully align the new A-pillar trim piece with the corresponding mounting points on your Ford Explorer's frame. Once aligned, gently but firmly press along the entire length of the trim. You should hear distinct clicks as each retaining clip engages securely into its slot. Ensure all clips are fully seated for a snug fit. For the final steps, reconnect the negative battery terminal, ensuring it is tightened securely with a 10mm wrench. Double-check that all connections are firm. Next, start your Ford Explorer to confirm that all electrical systems, including the airbag light, are functioning as expected. Finally, visually inspect the newly installed A-pillar trim to ensure it is flush, secure, and aesthetically pleasing. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced your A-pillar trim.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.